Hello everyone, today we're going to be playing as Sturbi, my favorite sneaky goofball. So we're just going to fly around, just do stuff that normal creature. Oh my god, the suckery. I remember being killed by a Dido clan once. Painful. Okay, that's my first time seeing a full Ver collection, and it looks absolutely amazing. Well, see them go up. Oh my god, I hate oxygen. They just appear. Those things just appear out of nowhere. That's well, see, I think I'm gonna take a risk with this. Personally, I'm doing it. I got succulent. Okay. Let's go equip that plushie. That's right. We're also going to equip a horn bug so we can fly faster. Which means we can fly extremely fast, and considering we're sturby, a good flyer and a fast flyer, I guess, because, well, it is sturby. It's pretty fast for here too. Cause fast as a tiny could fly is like 49. I think that's a griffin. Yep, the gallery. But yeah, that's the number one thing I hate about Oxy Towers. They just appear out. What was that? But some of them can be good guys and kills bad guys, which is what I appreciate. Hey, what's up? I do have a lack of, well, I shouldn't say lack, but I lost 500 for a little bit more speed. Oh my god. No, get back here. Get back here, whatever you were. Now get back here, boy. You almost bit him. Now come at me, fool. But what even is that thing? Oh my god, Cyrodon. I'm trying to make this the most unique thing as possible. So we're gonna see what we can put on it. Oh my god, you look so cute. Well, I want to roll that plushie gotcha one more time. Another succulent. Yay. I do it again. Alright, a rock? What does this do? Let's do it. Then I can give this to my sturby. Without my... This is my show trade. Trades for this one, though. I'll tell you. There's a lot of mush. Like 1.5k, which I should have spent on the advanced one, like here. But alas, alas. That'd be pretty cool to be invincible. Okay. We're definitely gonna put it on a texture. So I'm trying to make this the most unique as possible. Honestly, I like it. Okay. I'm pretty good at coloring, so we're just gonna leave it like this. Now I am Rockworm Snake. I get a 50% boost, and if it were on a blood moon, if it were on a blue moon, it would have been 100. That means I could do my stamina in like a split second. Very helpful. And succulent makes me even faster. Me saying I would rather buy a advanced one of those plushie gotchas is the equivalent of saying I would rather watch. It's basically the equivalent of saying I'd rather watch 10 hours worth of episodes than a big old movie is 10 hours. But, well, I'm not gonna talk about it. Oh my god, I hate that movie so much. I'm sorry, Uber. I hate how you find it. Yeah. Alright, got it. Plus, it's not family, that's it. Plus, me over. Alright, I'm gonna drop this. I'm just gonna drop this for a baby candle. I'm Santa. I'm a Santa fairy. I'm Santa fairy. Yay. Alright. That sucked. One. I'm defying you, Frostbite. Let me know in the comments if I should roll up an advanced gotcha. This is kind of unfair. Is that dumb? But yeah, 2 tickets. Honestly, everything's going good for me right now. Except for the fact that I spent 1.5k for just 2 succulents and a rock. But I still do have 7k. Okay, how is that an epic? That's the dumbest stuff ever. I'm no way I'm buying that thing for 11k much. I mean, it's not happening. You dare oppose me, mortal? This guy said that, bro. Imagine if I had stamina regen and speed. Kind of like my social slot. That would be so great. Bro, imagine a sturbi slot that can just regen all of its stamina in like a split second. That'd be crazy, bruh. And considering if we did that in a blood moon, this moon would be fast as hell. Flying, walking. I mean, look at how fast I am right now. Look at my mini map. Look at how fast I'm going. That's basically me playing at Waggle Worm during the Valentine's event. Just soaring at like 100 miles per hour through the sky. And being able to blind the eye. Oh my god, it's a Crypt Crick. Hello. I'm saying hi. What's there anything in here? Like one creature. Hi, Brickle. What's he doing? shreds. The Sigara Shrine. I used to farm that. I used to abuse that a lot. Until I got Gara tokens and stopped. But that's besides the point. If you haven't watched my growing Gart video, it's like an hour 12 seconds. Yeah, you probably shouldn't watch it because it's great. Because I no mic yet. Oh my god, is he hunting down children? You heathen! Hey, what's he doing? What's he doing? What's he doing? It's up. What's he doing? What's he doing? Bro really thought he was sneaky like that. Bro thought he could sneak up and take a bite out of the sick snake body. Oh my god, this can though! Why did my fly has get disabled if anything? Look at my speeds, help me out though. W succulent plushie. Honestly, you know what? I'm gonna roll it. I do not care. It's gonna be yo. I kinda wanna see what that does first. That was somehow the worst of them all. I guess I should buy one of these ones too. I mean, oh no, wait. I don't think I need that. I think I'm definitely going to take away this. Then replace it with the Aerodon. It's the best. It'll make the best plausible outcome. Ew, what's he doing? Ew, what the crap are you doing? Oh, you. Okay, now, four. Trying to kill me though. Lobro thought he's safe. Aww. Probably logged. Oh my god, it's a Somna. Oh, is that him? Is that him? No, it's not. Whew. Oh my god, an Asmer. And he buffed out Chame. This run's gonna be terrifying. What's a Zero Rex? I don't know that. Ah, it's one of those. Try to take that on and fight. Though literally none of my plushies help me with biting. Also, I'm gonna trade some creatures for plushies. Definitely, they're okay. I don't like the way he's looking at me. Definitely Berklixen, because I'm not really feeling like the new remodel. And Mista too. So stay tuned for that. I guess I can tell you which one, I guess, if you're going to do that. But I will show you in another video. So we're just going to... Yeah, I wasted a lot of money. It's like 3K. Yeah, like exact. Is that a frog? Frog went invisible. Oh my god, why is there so much Diacrine? I mean, that's a single-handedly single-handed creature. That's the single-handedly most seen creature of all of them. Bye. Does that capital have a tornado on its back? Now that's pretty cool. But we'll be ending this video here. I'll make a part 2 of my growing my starry snaky pookie. How would I not? But yeah, let's get done. Peace. Subscribe.